Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the Nova NHT 1073 hair trimmer for men. This is the model number for this, as I mentioned, is NHT 1073. This comes with washable heads and also USB charging, and you can tell from the box itself what this trimmer is supposed to look like. We have some more information here. This comes with, it takes 5 hours to charge and gives you 60 minutes of run time. And there is USB charging as mentioned earlier. It has one touch on and off. It has washable heads and comes with stainless steel, very sharp stainless steel blades. As mentioned earlier, stainless steel blades, smooth tips for comfortable skin contact, and 4 comb attachments. We will take a look at each of them. Let's open this box and take a look inside. There you go. This is what you find inside. There is a instruction manual for the NHT 1073, so you should read it at least once. I'm going to leave this over here. Right over here. Now let's take a look at this box. What's inside this box? How I'm supposed to open it. I'm supposed to open it like this. 2 compartments. Let's take all of the things outside. So there you go. This is what you find inside the box containing the Nova NHT 1073 hair trimmer for men. So you can see there are 4 comb attachments. There is a cleaning fluid and a cleaning brush, and this is a micro USB charger for this particular trimmer. This is the cleaning brush, as I mentioned above. This is mentioned earlier. This is for cleaning the heads, and a cleaning fluid for when you want to lubricate the motors. So these are the 4 comb attachment that comes with it. These are the 3mm comb attachment there. This is 1 3mm. This is 6mm. You can see. This is a 9mm comb, and finally we have a 12mm comb attachment. Now let's take a look at the trimmer itself. So this is the trimmer right here. It has a nice black, like a glossy black finish on the top side and a matte black finish on the lower side. There are these anti-skid gripping on each side. They're very ergonomic design, but it's also sturdy. It looks like it's made out of plastic, but it also looks very solid. So this is the one touch button as mentioned earlier. So it works perfectly fine, there you can see. And you have your micro USB charging port over here. As mentioned earlier, ergonomic design, very sleek design as well. The head is detachable, it's removable. The idea is that when you want to wash it, you push like this, it comes out, and you wash this under tap water. However, do not wash this under tap water. This is the motor. And as far as your comb attachments are concerned, you can pick the one of your choice and attach it just like this. And that's it. It's very easy. All you have to do is put this first bit inside and then tap it like so, and the comb attachment attaches itself to the trimmer. And this is it. This is what you find inside the box containing the Nova NHT 1073 hair trimmer for men. Thank you for watching.